Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If I could just keep one sweater in my wardrobe, it would be this sweater from Beyond Fashion. So what makes this the perfect sweater in my opinion are the fabric, the features, and the quality. So first of all, the fabric, it's 100% cashmere, and this cashmere is so soft to the touch, yet so durable. I've been wearing this sweater non-stop, and I have no pilling, no holes, I have nothing. It's in perfect condition. It also is so lightweight, so it is perfect for year-round wear, including the summer. You might want to throw it over in the office when the air conditioning's on, or in those cool summer evenings, and it just transitions so well into fall, especially this really nice winter white color. So the features in the sweater are so adorable. I love the pockets. They're actually functional pockets. And I think what sets this sweater apart from any other sweater are the beautiful buttons. It gives it a really high-end luxe look. I love the quality of these buttons. I love that the gold gives that little bit of bling that really catches your eye. And the buttons are top-notch, great quality. I'm wearing a size medium. I usually wear a size small, but I really liked a bit of an oversized look that I could layer with, and I like that it covers my bum as well. I've been wearing this sweater on every occasion possible because it's so comfortable, and it just dresses up and dresses down so easily. Wearing it with a skirt looks super cute, black jeans, black dress pants, but I've been wearing it a lot just with my leggings, taking my dog for a walk, as it's so comfortable and breathable, and I'm getting so many compliments on it. I just love the preppy look. You look dressed up and like you put so much effort into your look with just throwing a sweater on. So in my opinion, this is the perfect sweater. I know you're gonna love it as well, but that's just my point of view.